Hi everyone, I am Ofalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. We have got the first tense where we are going to change it from active voice into passive voice. So let's begin the first tense. First we will be having the active voice sentences and then passive voice sentences. First we will discuss simple sentences. What are simple sentences? Those sentences which make simple statement are called simple sentences. And we have already learned in active voice subject does something and in passive voice subject is affected. When subject does something in a sentence in active voice, that will be called doer of an action, whereas in passive voice subject is affected, there it will be called agent, not object. So here most of these students I've seen commit a lot of mistakes. They say by plus object and then full stop. Keep in your mind that isn't object, that is known as agent. Let's begin making sentences. She sweeps the room. Formula is subject first form with SES object and full stop, and in passive voice subject helping or third form by agent and then full stop. She sweeps the room. The room is swept by her. We solve the issue. Issue is solved by us. Next we have got negative sentences. What are negative sentences? Those sentences in which we deny the statement, reject the statement or refuse the statement. Like she does not sweep the room. Room is not swept by her. We do not solve the issue. The issue is not solved by us. After that we have got interrogative sentences. Those sentences in which we ask questions or put queries. Does she sweep the room? Is room swept by her? Do we solve the issue? Is the issue solved by us? After that we have got formal sentences. What are formal sentences? Those sentences in which we ask question and deny the statement. We ask them in a polite and formal way. Does she not sweep the room? Is room not swept by her? And do we not solve the issue? Is issue not solved by us? Last we have got informal sentences. Those sentences in which we ask question and deny the statement and we ask them in an informal way. Doesn't she sweep the room? Isn't room swept by her? Don't we solve the issue? Isn't the issue solved by us? So these are called the sentences. How you are going to change them from active voice into passive voice, as we have learned the rules that subject takes the place of object and object takes the place of subject. We always use third form in passive voice. After third form we use by, and then after that we put agent, at the end we put full stop. So this is the first tense, how you are going to change them from active voice into passive voice. Okay, one thing it is very important to understand, that keep in your mind, main thing is practice. You will take some verbs and you'll keep practicing them. One active voice you'll make and then 5 passive you will be making for the practice. As usual we will be practicing. The way of practice will be, you'll take a verb like I say arrange. I arrange the chairs. Chairs are arranged by me. Chairs are not arranged by me. Are chairs arranged by me? Are chairs not arranged by me? Aren't chairs arranged by me? In the same way, second verb we have got, that is known as cut. I say you cut the tree is cut by you, the tree is not cut by you. Is the tree cut by you? Is the tree not cut by you? Isn't the tree cut by you? So one active voice and then 5 passive voice you will be making. Another example, we say write. You write a story. Story is written by you. Story is not written by you. Is a story written by you? Is a story not written by you? Isn't story written by you? Fourth verb, like we say speak. He speaks English. English is spoken by him. English is not spoken by him. Is English spoken by him? Is English not spoken by him? Isn't English spoken by him? And in the same way we have got another verb, like we say ask. You ask a question. Question is asked by you. Question is not asked by you. Is question asked by you? Is question not asked by you? Isn't question asked by you? So daily basis you'll be taking 5 verbs and you'll be practicing them. In this way you'll be able to learn the sentences of passive voice. Hope you got the lecture. See you next time. Wish you best of luck. Allah Hafiz.